This is one of the coolest ideas that I've come across to make money. Now, this is for the artists out there. There are people that I see all the time on TikTok and YouTube who go to thrift stores and get cheap prints, cheap artwork, and then they add something to them. A lot of times it's sci-fi or fantasy based or cartoon based. Like this guy right here. You can see his website at downcycledart.com and see his YouTube and TikToks. But he does exactly that. He takes thrift store paintings or prints and adds cool things to them. Like in this particular painting, he's taking this famous cafe scene and adding Bob's Burger to it. In the next one, he's taking just a kind of a landscape forest painting and adding Wolverine from the X-Men into it. So he's adding cool things into this. And then the money comes in, he can sell off that original, which isn't really original, it's an original on a print. And then he also gets a high quality scan of those and then can sell them over and over and over again. He sells actual prints and then also digital download files, like high quality, high resolution, that you can then bring to a printer and get printed up. So you do the work once, you make prints of it, and then you see him, he's selling anywhere from like 60 bucks up to like 150 bucks, depending on size and quality. And he can just do that over and over. But also, if you're more interested in selling original work, this can just be a thing that drives people to your website to buy your original work. You have these fun things that you can sell and then also highlight your original work. Now, the main thing with this is you can't just do it and expect people to find you. You have to be active on social media and show the process. I've linked Downcycle Art's YouTube down below. Go watch his videos. He's very engaging. He's funny. He's good at social media and making videos. So you do have to get good at that. But this is just a really fun way. If you're already an artist, you already have the supplies, or you used to be and you want to get back into it, this is a fun way to use your skills or hone your skills, drive engagement, drive people to your website, buy things over and over and over, and then also maybe they like your original art as well. I really like this idea. I don't personally paint, but if I did, I would do this. I just like the idea.